even if kapal kayo, kayo, i-get talaga assurance na kaya pa sila. The psychologists noted for systematically studying animal behavior, animal learning, and problem solving. Kumbaga, animal learning ito, kumbaga, evaluate, alin dito ang gumamit ng hayop. Hayop. Kauna si Maslow, wala naman. Si Maslow, ganun focus doon, ito na lang. Needs na katawan, diba? Wala sa physiological, sa safety, lahat, gano'n. Tapos, Maslow. Right? Hindi rin po yan logic, yan po is cognitive development. Right? And not stupid, because stupid naman po is your mentor, your theory. So do not judge a person based on what you see. Judge the person based on what you see, what you don't see. That's stupid. Now, tingnan ko rin after Skinner. Now, ngayon gamit ba ng hayop Skinner?
Yes.
Yan sa hayop. Anong hayop ang gamit ni Skinner? Yan ay aso ba? Hayop yun? Aso yun. Short, focus niya.
Also,
kung walang Skinner, sino pa rin sa natin? Kung walang Skinner, quadrant pag. Kung walang Skinner, quadrant pag. Both of blood ng Skinner use animals. Blood aso, Skinner naman ay makainis. Kakakaya before tayo. Rats. Although not academically gifted, Nora enjoys healthy relationship with peers and instructors, reflecting high problem. Hindi naman siya magaling talaga academically, magaling naman siya in terms of people. Kaya may people smart naman siya. So kumbaga, hindi siya idiot practical. So practical intelligence, yung tao na screen smart. Kumbaga, between discard and diploma, pinipili nila discard practical intelligence. At maliit din ang academic prowess, i-mention na hindi siya academically gifted. Values alignment or emotional intelligence. Di ba ang meron sa kanya? It might healthy siyang relasyon sa kanyang teacher at peers. Tawag ko at mayroon siya emotional intelligence. People smart. People smart. Okay, sige. Unifying. Teacher Jessie is frequently consulted for pedagogical advice, indicating professional. Again, natin na ba si Teacher Jessie, talaga, at tinatanong maghihingi ng advice. Anong meron sa kanya? Malilinig ka marinig, pagkamarinig, friendship naman. Ang advice naman is not really towards people, but how to teach. Diba? Meaning, si Teacher Jessie pala, galusang ko. Kaya ang mga co-teacher niya sa kanya na ay professional, magamit sa sana, magaling sa kasi professional charisma, ibig sabihin lang yan is yung yung charm, yung charm towards people, less charisma. Hindi naman charisma yung person because again, hindi nga siya ng advice how to really show, galing siya less status. Okay? Kaya,
Salamat po.
Ayan, Freud identifying the levels of awareness, conscious, pre-conscious, and one. Kaya dito, ang parang ng tatlong level of awareness ni Freud. Unang-una, conscious to yung information na alam talaga natin. Tapos, hindi ka ngayon, you are reading this one down, like Freud and Freud. Meaning, you are in the conscious. Okay? Alam mo, you are aware. That's conscious. If you say naman being conscious, as you alam ka ng conscious, you're not aware right now kung ano kita, maalala ko. For example, if I say, sorry, wave line or fragmented arm. Wave line. Alala mo, di ba? Kasi nga nasa feeling ko siya. Kumbaga, yun ang iconic na kahit ano,
Childhood, when I was everyone said to them, oh no,
hindi ka talaga aware na present talaga siya. Example, yung mga stickers natin for selfish motive. For example, ang isang bata ay takot siya sa aso. Pero wala